secondary first term. Before we explain forming the quadratic equation whose two roots are known. And now we explain forming the quadratic equation from the roots of another equation. Another equation. Example number 1. If L and M are two roots of x power 2 minus 5x minus 6 equals 0, then find the equations whose two roots are. Number 1, L plus 7, M plus 7. Number 2, L power 2, M power 2. Number 3, L plus 1, M plus 1. Notes. If we need L power 2 plus M power 2 equal L plus M power 2 minus 2LM. Notes number 1. Notes number 2. L minus M all power 2 equals L plus M all power 2 minus 4LM. Number 3, L power 3 plus M power 3 equal L plus M, open the brackets, L plus M all power 2 minus 3LM. Number 4, L power 2 minus M power L power 3 minus M power 3 equals L minus M, open the brackets, L plus M all power 2 minus LM. You can use the notes to find the equation whose two roots are known from the another equation. We can find the equation whose two roots L power 2 and M power 2. From the given equations, L plus M equal negative B divided by A equal 5. Number 1, L times L product or L times M equals A equals C divided by A equal negative 6. Number 2, how can find the the equation whose two roots L power 2 and M power 2? The sum of two roots of the new equations we have need to find. Then the sum of two roots L power 2 plus M power 2 equal, from the notes, L plus M all power 2 minus 2LM. This is number 3. From 1 and 2 and 3, we can replace L plus M all power 2 and put L plus M equal 5. Then this expression equal 5 power 2 minus 2 times LM negative 6 equal 25 plus 12. 2 times 6 equal 12 equal 37. This is number 4. And L power 2, the product of the two roots of the new equation, L power 2 M power 2 equal Lm all power 2 Lm L times M from 2 equals negative 6 power 2 equals 36. Then number 5. Then the equation x power 2 minus the sum of two roots minus 37x plus the product of two roots 36 equal 0, and so on. We can find some equations, two complex numbers, and forming the equations. Question number 1. Some question. Question number 1. Find NR real number SS of number 1 x power 2 minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Number 2 x power 2 plus 2x equal 5. Number 3 x power 2 plus 16 equals 0. Before we explain how can use the Go algebra to find the two roots of the equations or the second equation of second degree, if we need to solve the equation x power 2 minus 5x plus 3, we can open first we can open the program of graphing or Go algebra and put here the equations. We can change the drawing scale of the grid or x-axis and y-axis. Then the drawing scale is 2. We can put the drawing scale in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, negative 1, negative 2, and put here the equations x power 2 minus 5x plus 6 equal fx equal x power 2 minus 5x plus 6, and press this key. We find the figures. Yes, you can move the figures up and down, right or left. This is the curve intersect x-axis and 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is the two roots of the equations. We can change this color from by pressing the curve and press this the color. This equal the color is blue, the color is red, the color is black, and so on. Since we find two roots, yes, we can change again colors. Yes, this is the color. If we need to coordinate this point, we can press in this place. We can show this point, the coordinate this point equal 3 and 0. 3 is one root, and press this again on this point again. We can see the other roots 2 and 0. Then two roots are 2 and 3, and so on. This question number 1. Question number 2. It choose the correct answer. Correct answer between two brackets. Question number 1. I power 24 equals choosing 1 or negative 1 or negative I or I. Number 2. This is number 1. I power 37 equal space. Equal 1 or negative 1 or I or negative I. Number 3. I power negative 17 equals negative I or 1 or negative 1 or negative I or negative I. Number 3. 1 divided by I power 5 equal I negative I 1 negative 1. Number 5 is the important 1 plus I power 2 plus I power 3 plus I power 4 equal space equal I or 1 or negative 1 or negative I. We can choose the correct answer. Question number 3. Question number 3. Find and simplest for 2I number 1 2I times 3I power 4 minus 4I. Number 2 I divided by I plus 1. Number 3 2 minus 3I divided by 3 plus I. This is the third question. Here you go. Question number 4. Choose again the correct answer. Square root negative 3 times square root negative 3 equals space equal 3 negative 3 1 negative 1. Number 2. If x power 2 plus 4 equals 0 then x equal space. We can choose the correct answer 4 and 2 or positive negative 2 are. Number 3. The conjugate of 3I plus 4 is space. Choose between two brackets 3I minus 4 or negative 4 or negative 3I or 4 minus 3I. Number 4. We can complete. Number 4, yes, we can complete. If x power 2 equal 2 minus I times 2 plus I, then x equal space. X equal 5 equal square root 5 or 5I or positive negative square root 5I. The two roots number 5 root the two roots of x power 2 minus 16 equal 0 equal space. Choose between two brackets equal the positive negative 4